Okay, let's start working with the detailing. I've chosen the rebar layer. Now I'm going to draw up the rebars. I'm using the line, and you can take the line from this end of the slab outline to the other end of the slab outline. There you go, hit enter, it's done. Now select it and increase the line by layer, their thickness, to make it look like a rebar. Now we can do an offset of 5 inches. There we go, offset of 5 inches. Remember that this is the straight bar and this is what is going to be our crank bar. So the space between the straight bar and the crank bar is not 5 inches, but just taking 5 inches so that it looks good. Okay, so I'm going to take in another 5 inches. There we go, it's done. Okay, right after that we are going to need to know where to put the crank. So the crank distances is always L by 4. So L by 4, if we do L by 4 to 13, it comes 3.25. So we just come right over here, do an offset of 3.25 feet, hit enter. So this line is going to be offsetted from here to here, and then this line is going to be offsetted from there to there. There we go, that's done. Now right after that we have 12 feet and 1 inches. So let's just go with 12.1 divided by 4, and we have 3.025. Okay, so offset 3.025 feet. So from here to here and then here to here. There you go, it's done. Now for this particular location we have 13 feet and 9 inches. So we can write 13.8. Okay, so 13.8 feet divided by 4 is 3.45. Offset 3.45 feet. Sorry, 3.45 feet. Okay, from here to here and then here to here. There we go. Right after that we have 13 and 8 once again. So I'm taking it as 13.8 again. So we will go with 3.45 as well. Listen, so here you need to know that I'm just taking the distance as a random distance to show you how to do the process. Now when I'm saying that 13 feet and 9 inches is 13.8, it necessarily does not have to be 13.8. What I'm doing is I'm showing you how to do this. But when you are going to do the actual work, what you're going to do is divide 9 with 12. Then what you're going to get, divide 9 by 12, you're going to get 0.75, and you're going to add 13 with it. So 30 plus 0.75 is 13.75, not 13.8. But I took 13.8 for this offset because I'm just showing you how to do the thing. When you're doing it, you should always take 13.75, not 13.8. Okay, so coming back here, we have 8 feet and 5 inches. So that is going to be 8.42 feet. So 8.42 feet divided by 4 is 2.10. So we're going to offset 2.10 feet. 2.10 feet. One from this side, another one from this side. There we go, it's done. Now right after that, what we're going to do is we're going to do an offset of 5 inches all at the outer location. This one from the outer side, this from the outer side, this from the outer side, this from the outer side. Okay, this to the outer side, 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 this to the outer side. Okay, and stop. Now right after that, what we are going to do is we're going to take up a line. There we go. We're going to take the line from this end to this end. There we go. Again, this end to this end. Done. We're going to do the similar thing here as well. This end to this end. Okay. This end to this end. Come down over here. This end to this end. Again, this end to this end. And here we do the same. This end to this end. Then this end to this end. There we go. Now we no longer need this extra line, so we're just going to select them and then we're going to delete them. Okay. Alright, I'm just selecting them and then I will be deleting them. Selected and deleted, selected and deleted. Oops, I want this selection because I haven't done the work there. So I'm deleting the rest of them, and this one what's left, so I'm just finishing up. There to there, and then there to there. There we go. I'm just going to select and delete it. So there we go. We have the crank locations available to us right now. Now what we're going to do is just going to select all of these. Okay. Let's select all of those. I should have used the thickness beforehand. That would have saved us a lot. Okay. From by there, I'm taking 0.30 millimeters. There you go, thickness has been fixed. Now we come right over here and we're going to do some trimming. That's trimmed, that's trimmed. There you go. It is trimmed, it is trimmed, and it is trimmed as well. Okay, now select this and delete it. So, okay, now we're going to do trim again. So this is trim, this is trim. We have this trim, this trim, from this, from this, from this. Okay, let's see, first we have to trim, 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 trim. Now select this axis ones and we're deleting them. Okay, I've selected them. Now we delete them. Now they have been deleted. So here we have our straight bar and then we have our crank bars. So now what's left is the extra top. So in this kind of slab detailing, there are three kind of bars. One is the straight bar, another one is the crank bar, and then we have the extra tops. So for the extra tops, we're going to take an offset of 5 inches again and say here we have one extra top, 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 one extra top. Now if the detailing said that it doesn't have one extra top, then there will be no extra tops, and if the detailing says it will have 2 extra tops, then we're just going to add in 2 extra tops just like that with the 5-inch offset. But let's just keep that 1 extra top right now. And remember that this length is not the accurate length of the extra top, so we're going to see what the accurate length of the extra tops should be in the next video. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.